Good morning, children. Hope you all fine. So, let's start today's geography lesson. Okay, children? So, in last video, we have just started geography chapter 2 inside our earth. Okay, children? So, in last video, we have seen the interior of the earth. What are the layers of the earth? Like crust, mantle, core. Then we have seen about rocks and its different types. What are the different types of rocks? Igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. So we have seen up to that in the last video. So in this video, we are going to start from uses of rock. Okay, children? So we'll see uses of rocks, rock cycle, minerals, its uses. Okay, so in this video will be very interesting for you. So listen carefully, my dear children. So let's start. Okay, first, uses of rocks. So, rocks are used for construction activities such as making buildings and roads. Okay, so rocks, for what rocks are mainly used? Rocks are used for many purpose, but mainly for construction activities like making buildings and roads. Then next, second point, they are source of minerals which are useful for various purposes in daily life. Okay, so these rocks are the source of minerals. These rocks are the source of minerals. Okay, so minerals are very important in our daily life, right? So let us look these pictures. So look at the first picture, stones. So this you have seen many places, right? So this we are using for constructing buildings and also constructing roads and also for many purposes. Then second, so this is house that is made up of stone. And last, minerals. So rocks are the main source for these minerals. Next. So next we are going to see about rock cycle. So what is rock cycle? Rock cycle means the process of transformation of the rock from one to another is known as the rock cycle. The process of transformation of the rock from one to another is known as rock cycle. Okay, so when rock changes from one form to another form, that is called rock cycle. Okay, children? Next, when the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rock. Okay, and after, when this metamorphic rock again undergoes heat and pressure, this metamorphic rock melts down to form molten magma. Then again what happens? The magma cools down and forms igneous rock. So here one cycle forms, right? Rock changes from one form to another form. That is called as rock cycle. So look this picture. So look at first what happens. This molten magma cools down and it forms igneous rock. After this igneous rock breaks down and forms sediments. These sediments are washed away or transported to another place by wind or some activities. Then after some years it forms sedimentary rock. Okay, this sedimentary rocks undergoes heat and pressure and forms metamorphic rock. Okay, children, and this metamorphic rock undergoes heat and pressure and that forms molten magma. And again what happens? This molten magma forms igneous rock. This igneous rock undergoes heat and pressure that changes into metamorphic rock. Okay, like this, when one rock changes its form and becomes another rock, that is called rock cycle. Okay, children? So first, when the molten magma cools, it solidifies to form igneous rock. And after this igneous rock are broken down into small pieces, okay, like sediments by wind or temperature. And after, what happens? The sediments are transported and deposited in some other place, and after some years it forms sedimentary rocks. Okay, then the sedimentary rocks, not only sedimentary rocks, igneous rock also, when these rocks undergoes heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rock. Okay, then after again this metamorphic rock undergoes heat and pressure, and they melt down to form molten magma. Then this molten magma again cools down and forms igneous rock. These processes take hundreds and thousands of years. Okay, children. So like this, when one rock changes its form and forms another rock, that is called rock cycle. Okay, children. Next we are going to see about minerals. So minerals are naturally occurring substance which have certain physical properties and definite chemical composition. So what is minerals? Mineral or naturally occurring substance which have certain physical properties and definite chemical composition. Okay, children. So all minerals are naturally, they are present, they are natural substance, and all minerals, they have their own physical property and chemical property. Okay, then these minerals are very important for humans. Minerals are very important for humans. Yes, they are very useful for us, right, children? Okay, for example, coal, natural gas, petroleum. So coal, natural gas, petroleum, we are using in our daily life, right? Like for example, we can say about petrol. We are using it daily life, right? Okay, if you want to drive a car or scooty, we need what, children? We need petrol, right? Next, they are also used in industries. They are also used in industries. Then next example, iron, aluminium, gold, uranium. So these we are using in medicines and also in fertilizers, and for also making ornaments also we are using gold, silver, etc. Right? Okay, very good, children. Then next. So look at this picture. First is for coal, oil, natural gas. Okay, look these pictures. So these are the example for minerals. Next. So look these pictures. So first, these are the some objects. Here we have used some minerals commonly. We are going to find that now. Okay, so first question is, what are the minerals most commonly used in the following objects? So that we are going to find now. So first, Karkite. What is used here commonly? Do you have any idea what is used to make this? Any idea? Yes. So Karkite, that is, there iron is used. What is used to make that? Iron. Okay, children. The next, ornaments. So this you can find very easily, right? Yes. So first is made up of gold and the second is made up of silver. Okay. So these ornaments are made up of gold and silver. Next, pan tawa. So what is used? Yes, iron. So pan tawa, what mineral is used? Iron. Next, bell. In this, what mineral is used maximum? Yes, in bell, copper, zinc or iron. Okay. The next, hammer. In hammer, what mineral is used more? Iron. Very good, children. In hammer, iron is used more. Then last, lamp. In this, what mineral is used more? By looking the image, can you get any idea? Yes, copper and zinc. Okay, children. So like this, in everyday using objects also, that are made up of many minerals. Okay, so these minerals are very very important in our daily life. So next, second, Identify some more objects made up of different minerals. Okay, so in a daily life we are using many objects, right? So like spoon, keys, pens, poles, pipes, ships, planes. So these are like this, we can say many objects as example that are made up of minerals. Okay, so look again: spoons, keys, pens, poles, pipes, ships, planes. So like this, many examples we can give for objects that are made up of minerals. Okay, children? So thank you, children. So thank you for listening very patiently. So with this, we completed our chapter 2. Okay, children? So in next video, we'll start one new lesson. Okay? So clear this lesson, read the textbook clearly. Okay, children? So in next video we'll start the next lesson. Okay, so thank you, children. Have a nice day.